So I was working with someone the other day and she asked me, what does post-betrayal transformation look like? Now, post-betrayal transformation is the complete and total rebuild of your life and yourself after an experience with betrayal. So I said, I use this analogy, and if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm real big on analogies. And I had 4 kids and they used to love Legos. So I thought of that and I was like, think about this. Imagine you built this entire Lego structure. And it took all this time and you built this whole massive structure. And then one day, the entire structure comes tumbling down. Post-betrayal transformation is like this. You don't build the same structure you had. You choose which pieces you want to use and you rebuild a completely new structure. Now, you're not going to use all the pieces. You're not going to build the same thing you built. It's going to be bigger, better, stronger, whatever it is. But it is deliberate and intentional. You are choosing how you want to rebuild this magnificent structure, which is you. That's post-betrayal transformation.